Thrive's magnetic closure system was designed as a modern alternative to traditional Velcro straps. Over time, Velcro can collect debris and lose its grip, often requiring replacement. Our magnetic straps offer a low-maintenance, durable solution. Featuring the patented FidLock system, these straps provide a fast, secure closure that's easy to use, especially for AFO users who may have limited hand dexterity. To install your mag strap, begin by removing your existing Velcro strap. Next, open the magnetic strap and attach the receiving end to the edge of your brace. The orientation can be adjusted based on your personal preference. Wrap the strap around the cuff and secure it using the Velcro mounting dots on your brace. You'll notice 2 pull tabs on the strap. The black tab allows you to adjust the strap length and overall tightness. If the strap is too long, you can remove the black tab, trim the strap to your desired length, and then reattach the tab. The red tab is used for daily operation. Simply pull it to open the magnetic buckle when putting on or removing your AFO. Once installed and adjusted, your magnetic strap provides a secure, streamlined closure system designed for ease and reliability. Thrive Orthopedics, confidence in motion.